I am sure, like me, many of you are curious on how to save some money, yet still see and enjoy some of the beautiful places various ports of call have to offer. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can get to and from a beach in Aruba for only $5 per person. So please stay tuned. Today we were in Aruba, the A island of the islands referred to as the ABC Islands. This is my second time here on a cruise, and hands down it is my favorite Caribbean island. It is so beautiful, and it's easy and, might I add, relatively inexpensive to get around. And of course it has amazing beaches. Here's a look at the port from atop our cruise ship. I'm going to use it to give you context to the layout of the cruise port and the direction of the popular beaches. Then I'm going to take you down and I'm going to show you how to get to the bus ticket office. It is great getting a top-down look at the port, but let's start in outer space. I don't know about you, but I love getting the big picture. Aruba is located 15 miles north of Venezuela and is west of Curacao and Bonaire, the other two ABC islands. The cruise port is located on the southwest side of the island. Our ship is docked at this berth. The bus ticket office is here. Yes, really close to the port. Aruba has more than 20 beaches on this island. Eagle Beach is here. Eagle Beach is the most popular tourist beach in Aruba, known for its stunning white sand and turquoise waters. It has been recognized as one of the best beaches in the world by various travel awards. So, that is the beach we are going to today. From atop the cruise ship, this is downtown Oranjestad, the capital of Aruba. Penning left, the location of Eagle Beach is here. And off in the distance, that is the Palm Beach District, the location of all the hotels and resorts. Now, if the busy resort area is where you want to go, the public transportation I'm going to be showing you today will take you there as well. Now that we've had the big picture and the overview, let's go down and get the details. Once outside the ship, we make our way towards the port exit. Because we are docked in the berth further away from the port exit, the walk is a little long, but we are up for it. If you are not able to walk, they do provide a shuttle service. Last time we were here, we were sailing on the Holland America Rotterdam, and we were docked where the New Amsterdam is now. Nice thing about that spot, the port building you walk through has Wi-Fi and other amenities. We exit the port here. Follow the crosswalk. Pass through the plaza with the souvenir vendors. Continue following the crosswalk and cross the main street. Be careful and look both ways. Once on the other side, we turn right. And once you've crossed the trolley tracks, turn left. The bus ticket office is on the other side of this white building. And there's the ticket window. You can purchase a $5 bus card that will allow you a round-trip ride on the bus. On our trip, they only took cash, and yes, you can use US currency. Be sure to get here before closing time. The office hours are 6 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. With bus cards in hand, we make our way to the bus. As this couple demonstrates, upon entering the bus, the driver will swipe your card and half the card's value is used. Hold on to your card for the return trip. There is bus service every 15 minutes from 5:45 a.m. until about 6 p.m. Buses then run every 40 minutes until 11:30 p.m. We mentioned our desired beach to the bus driver when we boarded, and as we pull up to the stop, he announces our arrival at Eagle Beach. We exit on the right side of the bus, wait for the bus to depart, and cross over the busy road and make our way to the beach. As we make our way toward the water's edge, we spot some unoccupied loungers in the middle of the beach and take advantage of them. What a beautiful view. So relaxing. All too soon, it is time to make our way back to the ship. To catch the bus back to the downtown area, locate a shelter like this. You won't have to wait long. Buses run often. The bus ride back to town is scenic and relatively quick. And there's the iconic I Love Aruba sign. A great photo opportunity. And like that, we arrive back at the bus station. To get back to the ship, we just retrace our steps from earlier. As we walk back to the ship,
Let me say, there are so many other things to do in this port. Going to the beach is just one thing. Of course, the downtown area has plenty of shops and restaurants. There is a complimentary trolley that uses the rails you see on the ground in this area. Those trolleys offer free transportation to and from the Main Street downtown area in a loop with the cruise ship terminal. Now, when we were here, the route for that trolley was fully open, but only until about 1 o'clock. At 1 o'clock, some of the streets have to shut down for afternoon rush hour traffic. So if you want to do this trolley, I suggest you do it in the morning. There are also a lot of excursion vendors in the port area. Last time we were here, we took a bus tour that we purchased in the port for only $25. Now, I think it's $30 now. But anyway, it was a fantastic guided tour to see and hear about the island, and it also acts like a hop-on, hop-off bus tour in that you can get off at the beach for a couple hours and get back on later in the day to head back to the port. This is such a great port in so many ways.
Island touring, guys want to join us? Air conditioned.
We now arrive back at the port and make our way to the ship.
I hope this tutorial on how to access the public transportation system of Aruba was helpful and will give you confidence as you plan your stop on the beautiful island of Aruba. Until next time, God bless and safe cruising out there.